Hi guys, welcome back to Story Factory. We're making clothes with puppets or toys.
Yeah, we're gonna be making clothes. We're gonna be making shirts and pants for your stuffed animal, like this one right here.
I like this one.
We're gonna be making shirts or pants with socks. With socks. Okay.
So first, guys,
the first thing.
if you have a long sock, you have to cut it so it can be soiled.
So the first thing we're gonna be making is the shirts.
So
So
have to do
the first thing you need to do
is
is
just
cut the shirt in half. Or if you have a long top, you cut that in half first. Really hard to cut these.
You gotta do first thing.
I'm getting some progress.
Guys, hi guys, I made it. Baby,
I only got this much progress. I have to cut the whole thing through.
I got this much hardest.
Can you just rip it?
Now guys, we're gonna have to cut holes through this.
Oh, you got yours already? Okay, yeah, you need to make shirt sleeves for your shirts. I'm still cutting.
Okay. Look, we got one hole. We got one hole, guys. No. The other hole. One hole. Guys, we got one hole. Now, yeah. Now we have to cut the other hole for the puppet's other arm or toy.
Okay, so I managed to get it.
Oh, guys,
Now,
we're done.
but did you get yours?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We're done,
Okay,
guys.
now we
We're
cut.
done.
Yeah, hold on.
So now, it's gonna be hard to put on your puppet.
Trying. Oh.
Alright, this is how it's supposed to be. This is my OL.
Let me see. Cool. I'm still trying to make a shirt for you. Wait.
Hey guys, you can get a hood. The
I
hood
could have
right
just
here
made
in
the
back.
sleeves. Because this shirt